This is my 7th episode of my trading challenge, started from just $100. And now my balance has reached $64,000. And today I will continue this challenge again. Can this account grow even higher? So watch this video till the end so you truly understand how to trade on pocket options safely and correctly. Okay, today I'm using my powerful strategy again. Yes, the green line strategy, but this time I'm going to use it differently. I'll be using it in scalping mode. That means I'm switching the time setting from fixed time to expiry time. Set it to 1 minute and make sure you enable the auto offsite time. So this means we're trading on the current running candle, or it will end at the 1 minute expiration time. Okay, let's begin trading and search for a solid green line setup. Okay, this one. This is a perfect green line strategy moment because the green line is sharply pointing upward. So let's do some scalping in this market. Yes, I'll use the 1 minute expiry time since we're in scalping mode. Yes, don't forget to adjust your trade time to the current running candle. And make sure you enter the trade when the candle touches or gets close to the green line. Okay, let's wait for the perfect entry position. Great! Perfect entry position. Enter as the candle moves near the green line. Will it work? Okay, let's see the result of our first trade. Great! Our first trade resulted in a profit. Let's trade again on this market because the candles are still moving above the green line. And this time, I'm going to increase my entry amount. Yes, I'm going to double that profit and the previous amount. And entry when the candle moves close to the green line again. Oh no, the entry was too high. Let's take another entry when the candle gets really close to the green line. Okay, this is what a perfect entry looks like. With this strategy, you need a bit more patience. Yeah, you've got to wait for the right moment to get in. In trading, 90% is waiting and only 10% is actually entering a trade. Yes, in trading, money moves from greedy people to patient people. Therefore, remain patient, as the market consistently rewards those who wait for the right opportunity. Okay, let's go back to the chart and see the result of our second trade. Great! Our second trade ended in profit again. Super easy, right? Yes, I created this strategy to be simple and easy to use, so every trader from beginners to pro can use it. Okay, I'll trade this market again since the green line is still sharply moving upward. As usual, we wait again until the candle touches the green line. Alright, our third trade is entered. Will this candle turn green after the pullback to the green line? Let's see how this third trade ends. Great! It's so really great! More profit from my new green line strategy. Okay, I'll enter this market again if the candle touches the green line. But if it doesn't, then I'll look for another setup on a different market. Okay, let's wait again. Okay, it looks like the market already moved up without touching the green line first. So let's look for a new moment in another market instead. Okay, this one. This is of the golden moment because the green line just crossed the red line. But the green line here isn't very straight, so I'm going to use a 2-minute trade to reduce market volatility. Okay, my fourth trade is in. Will it bring another profit? Let's see the results. Great! More profit from my green line strategy. Okay, we can't trade this market anymore because the green line has curved upward. This is a sign that buyers are starting to take control and the market may reverse. So let's look for a good moment in another market. Okay, this one. As you can see, the candles in this market keep bouncing up every time they touch the green line. The green line is also very sharp upward, so there's a big chance the next candle will react the same way. Yes, it will likely bounce up just like before. Trading is actually easy. Yes, just look at previous market patterns because the market always repeats itself. Okay, let's return to the charts and wait for the candle to approach the green line. Okay, one trade has entered, and I'll enter again if the candle touches the green line. Great! Profit at the very last second. I really thought this trade was going to lose. But yes, my new green line strategy has made me earn more profits. Okay, I'll enter this market again if the candle touches the green line, because the candles are still moving above it. Okay, one trade has entered, and I'll enter again if the candle touches the green line. Nice! 2 trades have been entered, and let's see again for the results. Great! Another win from my super strategy. Okay, I will trade again on this market because the candle still ended above the green line. But for this one, I'll only take a single trade because the MACD already shows for red bars. This is an indication that the uptrend is starting to lose strength. But let's see again for the results. Alright, this trade ended up being our first loss. This is our first loss out of 10 trades, but no problem. Let's do Martingale level 1 and look for a great moment again. Okay, in this market, the candles are still moving above the green line, but the green line has already curved downward, and also the red bars on MACD indicator has already for red bars. Normally, we should avoid this because it's a sign the uptrend is weakening, but let's give it a try in this market. Oh no, the timing is set incorrectly. I was supposed to use a 1-minute entry here. Sometimes some markets don't allow 1-minute trades, and that can cause our entry timing to be wrong. So we always have to double check our entry time before entering the trade. Yes, I should have taken a 1-minute entry here because the market was already to high and the green line had started to curve downward. That's why it's very risky if we trade with a 2-minute entry here. But no problem. Just take it as a lesson and let's see for the result. Okay, that's our second loss out of 11 trades, but that's fine. Let's use Martingale level 2 in another market. Okay, this one. This is of the green line moment on resistance breakout. As I've often say, once a breakout occurs, a continuation typically follows. So I'll open a buy position 1 minute when the candle touches the green line. Okay, let's wait for the perfect moment. Great! Perfect entry position. Entry exactly on the green line. Can this super strategy make me earn more profits? Okay, let's see for the results. Great! It's so really great! Finally, my balance has reached $100,000. The huge profits of my amazing strategy. It's so really amazing because I started from $100. Yes, nothing is impossible with my green line strategy. This is my trading history for today. 2 losses out of 14 trades. And my today's profit has reached $40,000. This is truly extraordinary. Okay, if you want to learn more about my green line strategy, just text me on Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description of this video. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and happy profit!